So I have here the Mars Explo patio heater, and this is really cool. You can use it in a whole bunch of different areas. It gets really cold where I live, so this is really awesome to use on my patio in the winter. It heats up a wide area and it's super easy to light. It only takes about 5 seconds. It does have adjustable heat, so I do want to thank the company that sent me this to do this video for you guys today. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, show you guys how I put this together and how I use it. Everything came really nicely packaged in that big box. It all had plastic wrap as well as styrofoam to protect it. And even the stainless steel did have that blue to be able to protect it from scratches. And it was pretty simple to install. It took about an hour. We started by putting the wheels on, and then you do need sand to be able to put into the base to kind of weigh it down. And then we slid the bottom over, and this is really nice because this is removable. It's not screwed down at all, so you can take it on and off when you're doing the propane tank. And I love that this is made of stainless steel. It seems made of really good quality materials. And we did need to use a drill at some point because it just took a lot longer to do it by hand. And then we just fed through that little thing that goes on the propane tank all the way through the whole pole, and then used the screws provided, and then put the top on. The top was really simple to put on. You just have to get high enough up. And then you will need your own propane tank. We installed that there at the bottom, and it just gets screwed on with that little hose. And then once it's all the way screwed on, you want to open the propane tank so it's ready to use, slide that part over, and then you need a AAA battery to insert into the igniter switch and just twist that back on. And then to light it, you turn that knob to the lightning bolt, push the igniter, push the knob in, and then it'll make some clicking noises. Once it goes, then you can slowly release and turn it to the correct temperature that you want it at. You can see that it's already heating up here, and I love that it has that dome at the top so it keeps it all coming down at you. You can really feel it. Even on low, this thing is really, really warm, which is nice because we live in a really cold place. And I love that you can have the adjustment from low to high. And then it also has that stick on the back that you can be able to adjust the angle of it as well. And here's a little closer look at the patio heater. I love how tall this is. It seems really stable as well. My husband is 6'1", and he's not hitting his head on this at all. And you can see a closer look at the igniter. Super easy to use, really only takes about 5 seconds. And then it does have this little drink holder at the bottom, which is nice. You want to put your cups on it or food. And then it just has this little thing that you lift up, and you can easily turn on and off the propane tank without lifting that whole thing up. It does have wheels so you can move it around. You can see my husband here at night. He just turns on the propane and then uses that igniter button and the knob to turn it on real quick. You can see it lights up really nicely. It gives out these really cool flames. And this is on high, and right now it's 31 degrees Fahrenheit, and this is keeping us really warm when we stand by it. So nice. And you can kind of see the flames there. It really is super warm. I love how this can heat up an 18-foot diameter as well, so up to about 6 people can stand around it. This is on low here. Even on low, it's pretty warm. And then to turn it off, you push in and turn that knob to the off position. It goes off really quickly, and you just want to turn off that propane. Honestly, I'm super impressed with this patio heater. It has an anti-tip, so I don't worry about it tipping over. It seems really stable and heats up really quickly, so I would definitely recommend.